Lab 4, dropping in on a penny. Step 1, ask a question. Does the head side or the tail side of the penny hold more water drops? Step 2, do background research. Water molecules are very unique. They like to bond or connect with each other, as well as any surface that they come in contact with. A penny can hold quite a lot of water on one of its sides because the water molecules are holding on tightly to one another and holding on tightly to the surface of the penny. Step 3, form a hypothesis. So you're going to write down, I think that the head side or the tail side of the penny holds more drops of water. Go ahead and write your hypothesis down on your activity sheet. Step 4, do an experiment. Let's explore. This lab you can do all on your own. Make sure you have your dropping in on a penny worksheet. It's a little piece of paper. A Dixie cup that is filled with water. A penny. A plate. And a pipette. And some paper towel. And a pencil to write down your data. First, make sure that the head side of the penny is face up on your plate. Then you are going to fill the pipette with some water from the Dixie cup, and you need to place, and to do this you need to place the pipette in the water, and then you are going to gently pinch, but give it a good force, pinch this top part. Pinch, and then you're going to let go of that pinch. You're going to unpinch, and water is going to fill up into the pipette. Okay? Then you're going to carefully hover over the penny and drop a small drop of water from the pipette onto the head side of the penny. All right, so there's my one drop. Okay? Now I am going to continue doing this, putting drops of water from the pipette onto the penny until it spills over. But while I'm doing this, I'm counting how many drops I got. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to continue doing this until the water spills over onto the plate complete. You'll see a whole slosh of water spill over onto the plate. And that last number that you had, say I got up to 50, I'm going to record on my head side for trial 1. That's the first time I did it. I'm going to do this 10 times on the head side. So say it spilled over on 50. I'm going to put 50. Okay? Then what I need to do is I got to get rid of any water that's on the penny or the plate. So I'm going to dab with the paper towel until all that's dry, because I don't want it to interfere with the next trial I will do. So I will do the same thing again. If you need to get a little more water in your pipette, pinch, and then unpinch, and the water will go up into it. And same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until it spills over onto the plate. So you're going to do it a total of 10 times on the head side. Okay? Then, once you've done it 10 times on the head side, you're going to flip the penny over so that the tail side is facing up. And you're going to do exactly the same thing. Water in the pipette. Drops on the penny. One at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Until it spills over. Dab. Do the second trial. All the way, keep going until you have 10 trials. Then, what you're going to need to do is you need to total all the heads up. You need to total all your trials for the heads. So there's going to be a calculator nearby. So you do 50 plus whatever this is, plus this, 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 and you're going to get a total. Okay? So say that my total is 300. Just say, we're going to pretend. That's my total. Pretending. 300. Then I'm going to divide that number by 10 because I had 10 trials and I'm trying to figure out the average or about how many drops of water fit on that side of the penny. And about 30, after I take my calculator, 300 divided by 10 equals 30. About 30 drops of water can fit on the head side. Now this is all pretend. You're going to have much different data. And you're going to do the same thing for tails. Add them up. Add this, 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 add this. Put that total. Divide the total by 10. Put the average. Then you are going to compare. Which average was higher? Say that my tails average ended up being 35. Which side of the penny can hold more water drops? Well, according to my data, tails can. Step 5. Analyze the data. What were your results? Which side of the penny, the heads or the tails, held more water drops? Step 6. Draw a conclusion. Was your hypothesis correct? Why or why not? Step 7. Communicate results. So you're going to go back to your regular classroom teacher, and when you're in there, you're going to talk about your experiment that you did, what your results were, and how you felt about the experiment.